Hi everyone, welcome back to AmpQuartz channel. So today I am going to share with you guys about a small kitchen give a big impact to your house. But first, don't forget to subscribe.
If you're living in a home with a smaller kitchen, you know the struggle is real. Every inch counts, and sometimes it feels like you're playing Tetris just to put away the groceries. But don't worry, because today we're diving into how you can achieve a big impact in your small kitchen with clever and customized cabinet solutions. Let's be honest. Small kitchens often come with their own set of challenges. Example, not enough storage to keep your things in one place. Perhaps you dream of having enough space for all your cooking gadgets, without them taking over your entire workspace. We hear you, and that's why we believe in the power of customized cabinets designed for your needs in your space. It's not about having a bigger kitchen. It's about being smarter with the space you do have. When floor space is limited, the only way is up. Utilizing your vertical space is key in a small kitchen. Think tall, narrow pantry cabinets that offer ample storage without taking up much floor area. Open shelving can be both functional and stylish for frequently used items, adding a sense of airiness. And don't underestimate the power of taking your upper cabinets all the way to the ceiling. This eliminates that awkward gap where dust collects and provides valuable, extra storage for less frequently used items. Now let's talk about the magic of pullouts and hidden features. These are game changers in a small kitchen. Imagine having a gas rail, so you can easily change it every time the gas runs out. Or how about a spice rack neatly tucked away inside a drawer or cabinet door, keeping your ingredients organized and accessible? Pull-out trash and recycling bins keep things tidy and out of sight. And for those hard-to-reach upper shelves, a discreet pull-out step stool integrated into the cabinetry can be a lifesaver. These clever additions make everyday tasks so much easier in a compact space. In a small kitchen, every piece of furniture needs to work harder. That's where multifunctional cabinets come in. A kitchen island, even a small one, can provide extra prep space, storage underneath, and even seating that tucks away neatly. We can also design cabinets with fold-down workspaces or tablets that can be easily stowed away when not in use. These smart designers ensure that your kitchen adapts to your needs throughout the day.
What are your biggest challenge in a small kitchen? Let us know in the comment below. So, if you're tired of feeling cramped in your small kitchen, remember.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
That with clever design and customized cabinet, you can achieve a big impact. We hope this idea have inspired you.
And if you're ready to explore the possibilities for your own space, head over to our website or follow us on Instagram to see more of our work and get in touch for a consultation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home designs inspiration.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.